out of the Inc. 5,000. We're just out of the Inc. 500 of 588 fastest growing companies in the country. Launched a Tulsa real estate fund with an epic IPO. On this day, January 8th of 2014, I launched this school, this academy called the Jay-Morrison-Academy. We want to teach financial education rooted in the RBCs of real estate, business, and credit.
Learned a lot from Jay.
I learned a lot.
King Jay put me on.
I learned a lot. So Jay put me on.
I'll be able to feed my family just
I joined the academy. This is extremely beneficial.
My name is Kareem Henry. I've been following Jay for quite some time. The easy funding process was really simple. Really easy, a very smooth process.
Since then, over 10,000 students enrolled in our school, multiple millionaires made, multiple 100,000aires made.
It motivated me. People didn't believe in me. And I saw your video, I pushed myself to do like, now I own a home in Queens.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah, so you taught me a lot about credit, everything.
The evolution for me is, as I've learned business, perfected my craft in business, and I'm continuing to perfect it, I want to personally level up and shake the box of just being Mr. Real Estate, which I've been since 25 years old. I now just turned 37, going on my 14th year of Mr. Real Estate. And so today, we're going to be officially retiring the Mr. Real Estate jersey. We were able to launch the Tulsa Real Estate Fund because of what we accomplished in JMA. So on January 8th today, I want to say happy birthday, happy anniversary to all our Jay Morrison Academy students, members, founders, partners, staff, etc., man. We have done amazing things in our community, all financial empowerment. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts for supporting our efforts to move our village forward, to bring wealth education to our community, to all underserved communities, in a more accessible way, in a more affordable way, in a more relatable way, as we as the Jay-Morrison Academy pick up the slack for what our school systems failed to do for us.